Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got a request to make a tutorial on this edit, so with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let's get started. You want to open CapCut with 12 clips that would match the audio. You also want to import the audio sound, which I will include in my share drive. For the audio, I already add beat to it. To do that, you can just click on the audio, match cut. Then you can click on the add beat icon to add the beat. For me, I add the beat at the beginning of each word. So pretty much you just do that with the entire audio. Then you want to trim the clips to match the audio. Next, we are going to add text that will match the audio. Click on text, add text. For me, I did Japanese and English, but you can do whichever one you want. You can click on font, go to Japanese and select a style that you like. Then adjust the length to match the first clip. Then you want to repeat the same process for English. This one I am selecting the handwriting one. Then you just repeat the process with the rest of the audio. For me, I like to just copy the previous one and move it right behind. This way the text will be at the same location. Then you can double click on it to edit the text. If you want to do Japanese word but you don't know how to type it, you can just use Google Translate and then copy the word. So you would repeat this process with the rest of the audio. Let's say you don't want to do all the text. You can also use my text overlay, which I will include in my share drive. Pretty much you would click on overlay, add overlay, and then select the text overlay. Then click on splice, select filter, then it will remove the black background. The next step is optional, which is to add animation to the clip. You can click on the clip, animation in. For me, I like to select zoom out, maximum duration, but you can do whatever animation you think it would go well with this. Then you just apply the same animation with the rest of the clips. So that's how you can create this edit. Pretty easy, right? That's it for this video. If you would like to see more CapCut tutorials, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. As always, please be nice to yourself and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.